Okay, yet another Frazer Nash TT Rep, and this is James's car, BMK 104. So it's been in storage for quite some time, but we're going to start cleaning it up this afternoon. I've decided to start on the radiator, but there's plenty to do. Forget the red wheels, they're just on to move it about at the minute. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Yeah.
We're having them painted, so these are just slaves we bobbed on for a moment. They look quite peculiar against the green. Red and green, never be seen.
Says he with his Ferrari overalls on.
Yeah.
No.
I wouldn't have overalls on today, it's such a sunny day, but there we are. So yeah, 1934 TT Rep, and I particularly like this car because it's a genuine original Frazer Nash Blackburn engine.
Right.
So there are not many six-cylinder Frazer Nashes. Some are masquerading with an AC engine in, but this is the real deal.
Yeah.
It's smooth as anything, it's lovely. It's a little bit between classes because it's 1670cc.
Right.
So it doesn't hit the class limits very well.
Yeah.
So you go and play the 2-litre class. But to be honest, it's a full weight original car, so we're not too worried about where it comes in competition. It's just a fabulous touring car.
Yeah.
Been a 6-cylinder, all the Blackburn engine cars were 9-foot wheelbase, so it lends itself to touring long wheelbase, not tight little hairpin bends of, for example, Prescott.
Yeah.
Open circuit car, or ideally an Alpine car. So it has twin spare wheels normally, but obviously they're off for the wheels painting as well.
Yeah.
And then a gorgeous Blackburn engine.
And there it is. So
it's twin overhead cam.
Yeah.
Triple SU carburetors. The engine was rebuilt some years ago by previous owner Matt Vincent.
Yeah.
He did a really good job of preserving the car and putting this engine back in, because I think it was Meadows' engine when he bought it.
Yeah.
And the car ran for many years with the Meadows engine when it was owned by Derek Hall, who was a Frazer Nash captain in years gone by. It was Derek Hall's car, sort of.
Yeah.
Becomes like part of him and him part of the car, you know, it was one of those jobs.
Yeah.
So you think of Derek Hall, well, and Matt Vincent, he did know how to put his mark on it as well, and wrote a really good book about it, and its specific history of this car and its owners. Did a lot of trialling in period, raced at Goodwood with a V8 engine in it actually.
Really?
But now it's back to original spec.
Yeah.
We've just put in for VSCC of form, and hopefully it'll come back as standard, but you can never tell with those chaps what they'll make of it.
Yeah, should clean up nice.
Yeah, it should. It's not too bad. Original cast aluminium number plates are nice.
Yeah.
I'm not sure about all the green around the front end. I quite fancy painting it black instead, so the running gear's black, and then just the bodywork and wings and Bosch headlamps stay as the green colour. We'll see. We'll see what it looks like when it's got black wheels on it.
Yeah.
And then it'll take shape and steer itself. But I don't quite think the car needs repainting.
No, it looks good actually.
Yeah, it'll be alright. So it's the sloping radiator version. Which I guess is a later development of the vertical rad, a bit like Lee Francis's did, except they didn't put a supercharger behind it when it was a Frazer Nash.
Yeah.
So when Lee Francis sloped it, they put a blower behind. But who knows? That might be a good option at some point.
Excellent. So there's another one for you Frazer Nash fans out there.
It's chain driven, of course, as are all Frazer Nashes. 4 chains across the back axle. Well, 5 I suppose if you include reverse.
Yeah.
The same principal operation pretty much throughout the life of Frazer Nashes. Quadrilliptic springs all round make it highly quickly changed and highly adaptable in terms of gear ratios and ride height as well.
Yeah.
So you can tune it for whatever competition you might be doing. All the Nashes are pretty much campaigned and braided. They're a well-used make car. I think they're the single the biggest proportion of production goes on a Frazer Nash raid than any other make of car, because when these guys go abroad, there's about a third of production go on a raid.
Yeah.
Which is pretty impressive.
Good.
Maybe more than 100 on some of the raids.
Yeah.
So they're a mad lot, and the chain drive thing is a bit of a cult.
Yeah.
It's a bit of a cool thing.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll make a start on doing a bit of cleaning, and hope to do another video when it's looking a little bit cleaner. Okay, thanks for that, James.
Coolio. Toodle pip.
Bye.